Hey, and welcome to another episode of Back from the Future, where we talk about technology from the past, present and future. And today we're going to be talking about Bambu Lab's 4th anniversary. Now, I am so stupid because I should know better, because last year I bought my P1S around about the same time when they were having their 3rd anniversary. And this time round I completely forgot about it, and I ordered a whole load of filament, and once it got delivered, Bambu Labs had its sale on, and I missed out on some significant savings on the sale. But there you go, that's life. I'm never going to do that again. So just to remind you that from I think the 15th of June to the 15th of July they've got a month-long sale on. And also there's a Black Friday sale. So I reckon those are the two best times to buy a Bambu Labs printer. So without further ado, let's get started on what they've got on their website. And at the moment, their CoreXY and flagship printers, the P2S, the new workhorse, the US price is $499 for the printer only. With the combo, it's $699. That's with the AMS, right? The UK, the P2S is £429 and $619 with the AMS. That is a banging price, absolutely banging price. The P1S, which is the one I've got, previous generation, heavy clearance price, $369 and $499 with the combo. The UK, it's £449 with the AMS2 Pro combo, and that is an absolute steal. It's, you know what, if it ain't a steal, it ain't a deal, and that's a deal. The H2S, the single nozzle printer, US price is $1,149. With the combo, it's $1,349. The UK price for that is £899 or $1,049. That's an absolute, honestly, for the money, you can't go wrong. The H2D, which is the one I'm going to be kind of looking at getting, the printer is £1,499, and in the UK it's £1,399. Now the H2C, the one with all the singing and dancing nozzles, $2,149 is £1,849. Absolute bargain, absolute bargain. A1 series bed slingers, you know, bread and butter of Bambu Labs. I mean, these have got to be, I mean, the A1 Mini and the A1, absolutely the best slingers you can get on the planet, I'm telling you. So the A1 Mini is on US is $209, combo $300, which with their AMS $309. UK, that's £139. That's like 13 rolls of filament, and with the combo £239. I mean, that's a bargain. For £100 roughly more, you get an AMS unit. It's a joke. The A1 full-size printer in the US, $279. With the combo, $379, $100 difference. UK price is £199, and the combo again £100 more with the AMS, £299. Now, like I said, I think this and potentially the Black Friday are the best times to buy Bambu Lab printers. But the A2S that's just come out, that's not on sale because it literally came out a couple of weeks ago. So don't expect any heavy discounts on that. That rounds everything up today. And you know, if you do decide to get anything from the sale, please let me know. Write something in the comment. and any suggestions and everything. And I'll see you guys on the next episode.
If you liked this video, please feel free to subscribe to our channel, press the bell notification button, and get notified when a new video comes out. Please leave a thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, please leave comments and let us know what your thoughts and suggestions are for future videos.
And we will see you in the future, if there is one.